Hey, how's it going, guys? So today I traded a couple of stocks. I started out by trading Dallas, Delta Airlines, DAL Dallas. So I took it on the short side just because I saw that it was a weak stock. It opened, looking at the 5 minute here. You see that it's really struggling. It tried to go up a few times, got back down. There's this level here where it consolidated, dropped. This is a level where it held. It broke below that, and then I saw that it looked like it was going to break above that level again. So if it does, it may just go back up to here, which is the level of consolidation. So I took it to the long side, and then I took it on the short side, and it broke, which may make it seem like it's going to go back up to the level 26.30. So I basically just covered and got out. I took it on the short side thinking that, okay, this is a retracement. Now that it got close to VWAP, it's going to drop. Didn't happen, so I got out really quickly. Small size, 500 shares. And then next I took BYND. BYND, I saw that there's this pre-market high here. It dropped all the way to the bottom, held this level, went back up, close to pre-market high. So I started to scale in, take it on the short side, was prepared to go all the way up to here. Didn't really do anything. It bounced around, got stuck here. So I just, whenever I had the opportunity, I just got out some just to see what happens, and then got out the rest here when nothing really happened, and it started to bounce. After this bounce, it looks like it did a double top, or maybe triple if you think about it this way, and now it's collapsing. But I'm already gone. So just small profit in that to cover for some of the losses on Delta. And then I did NVAX. So NVAX has this level here in the pre-market. It's pretty volatile stock, and as it got close to that, I started to scale in. It did break that level, but it never got past the 112 mark. So that's where I started to scale in. I saw it went up, went back down, added. It did go down, go back up. It never broke this, went back down on the way down, added. It did go back down, didn't really do anything, went back up, did a double top. On the way down, I went short again, and this time it finally collapsed. And on the collapse, I started to scale out all the way down to close to the double SMA here. So that was the last piece. Maybe worthwhile going for a long about here now that it dropped. But I'm done, so I'm not going to play anymore. But yeah, maybe just go back up and see what happens. I'm kind of interested. Holds that level pretty well. See what will fall below that. Oh wow, let's continue to drop. It's a pretty good level down here though. This is very supportive. Supported the whole time during the pre-market, so may just hold up. Let's see what happens. I may actually go all the way down to 104. Well, I'm not going to watch it anymore. I'm still curious. I'll probably go back and look at it and see how it actually did at the end of the day. But I'm calling it. I'm saying it may drop all the way down to 104, where this SMA comes up, and then it's going to bounce. Or it's at around this level, it's starting to bounce. If I miss this whole move, I'm just going to start to take a long around this level as it's dropping. And then I'll probably get out close to 108. Probably scale out starting at 107 something, but probably get out. Last piece was probably up here. But that's the move I would make if I were down here. Well, so kind of curious as to what my call would be. But yeah, finished my day, so I'm gonna stop.